Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So, okay, different type of video today. I was about to record another socket video, and this video that we're putting up right now had the episode number of 900, and it just kind of caught me off guard. There's a couple things that have been really happening. I've been talking about them for a while, but I mean like really, really, really happening. Uh, two things that I guess I'm intrigued by that I don't have really control over, and then there's this one right here. So over the weekend, I think we had something like 250 comments, questions answered. Just it was a barrage of communication, support, really good questions that were over on the Discord server, and that's what I mean. I can't say that enough. This whole community is just growing and growing and growing and becoming more fundamentally sound in Python and can answer your questions. But and then the other thing that is happening that is very, very interesting to me that I just can't tell you guys thank you enough. So let me show you guys this. You guys like this. So let me show you this. So here is something that has happened over the past few days, and I really can't put my finger on it other than you guys continuously watch these videos and YouTube knows about me a little bit, but now has been suggesting. So let me just show you this. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Let me go back here. This is what I wanted. All right. So this is the traffic of this password generator that is over a year old. What's that? 18 months old, and it's gotten a little bit of traffic, but now all of a sudden it has gone from a total of 857 views on sometime last week, and then around the 17th it just began to go up. And check this out. Here it is. That's kind of normal, 19, and then all of a sudden 27, 47, 74. And same thing with a video similar to that. It's Mate Part 3, which actually, oh yes, it began to jump up more than the other one. So here's the 17th. It had three views then on the 20th, and then over the past 3 days, and this is the past 24 hours, right there. So the level of dedication and commitment that you guys have, and again, I know there's a banter back and forth that you guys say I motivate you. Well, it's a two-way street. It's like communication. Communication only works if there's listening and talking. I can talk all I want, but if there's no listening, then this falls flat. So like I've said, I inspire you guys, you in turn inspire me, because the questions, the support, the time and energy that people, I mean, not only do you just spend time watching my videos, you then take the time to comment, jump over to Discord. There's some of you who've been around coming up on a year and a half, and highly supportive, highly involved, and thank you very much. And around the world, that is what I think I find most humbling. All these videos right here seem to be coming from Britain. That's what, here, let me just show you. Where is it? Audience. Yeah, the United Kingdom. That I think is the most intriguing part of all of this. And the people who are on Discord are from all over the globe. And I just want to say thank you immensely. And I can't say thank you enough to everybody who's involved, everybody who spends time on the channel, everybody who comments, the great questions. I mean, I get very, 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 very few negative comments, and I think I'm very, very blessed in that. So I just want to say thank you to everybody, and I really appreciate it. And if you've not subscribed, if you have not joined the Discord, make sure you're doing all those, and give this video a thumbs up for me. And stay tuned until the end, right here beside me. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.